This is Project Surf Candy, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Surf Candy is painted in full gloss British racing green with black accents. Surf Candy sits on 16-inch Wolf steel wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper, E.C.D heavy-duty steering guard, and 2 LED round spotlights at the rear. Inside, Surf Candy features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Recaro orthoped front and mid-row seats with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a double diamond Garrett Cadence Spice leather stitched together in chestnut. Surf Candy is powered by a GM LT1 450 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of mod of touches, such as gel audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.